Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert or add a divider to your documents and notes on Saner AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your account on Saner AI in the first step. After that, navigate to the note. Or you may simply navigate to a folder and create a new note. So let me do that really quickly. Untitled documents, so let me rename it. And for example, how to add a divider. That's the title of that document. Next, click into the text field and enter the command /divider. You will see the suggestion below. Click into it and that is going to add that divider. Well, it's barely visible, but there is a gray line. It would be more visible if I used a dark color theme here on Saner AI, but there is that divider. You can even click into that handle here to move that divider to a different position. And there it is. So that's how you can divide sections inside your document or notes on Saner AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.